Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, ready Rams, and now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is fully color matched in a nice pearl white color. You got tow hooks on this one, as well as park sensors, automatic blacked out headlights, fog lights. Now if we come down the side here, you do have some aftermarket wheels, a little bit more aggressive tire, tow mirrors on this one, as well as keyless entry on either side of the truck. And it is a crew cab with the 6.4 box. All the way back here you have both cameras, hitch receiver wiring, also more park sensors in the back and color match bumpers. Inside the truck it is fully loaded. You do have heated and cooled leather seats in this truck. Lots of storage all throughout the truck. You got 2 glove boxes, and then you also have an 8.4-inch screen with nav on it. Super easy to use. You do also have your control buttons on the screen as well as down here, and access to all your cameras right there. So some other cool features that I just want to touch on the screen there is this truck does have Travel Link. So whenever you're driving around going to different towns, it'll tell you things like fuel prices wherever you go, and you can also change what type of fuel you want. Since this is a diesel, you can select that and go back and it'll reorganize everything for you. You can also search up movie listings, sports, the weather. It's probably like kind of sucky right now, but you are also able to select your favorites and drag them down to the bottom and place them wherever you like along the bottom there. And then dual climate control on this truck, and again you can get to that on the screen as well. And then onto the cluster here, everything is digital, so you are able to filter through. You can see things like tire pressure, your transmission temp, oil life. It just kind of goes through all that. And you are able to set 4 favorites along the edges as well in your screen setup. So we're also going to show you some stuff on the door here. So it does have power windows, automatic ones in the front. You are able to power fold your tow mirrors and adjust them accordingly. Power locks right here, and then you are also able to lock the back windows if you have kids or pets or anything like that. You also have a trailer brake controller, front and rear park sensor buttons right there, tow haul, your exhaust brake, everything you can need in a truck, your 4-wheel drive. And then on the steering wheel itself you have your cruise control, Bluetooth, all that good stuff, Alpine sound system, remote start in this truck, and then of course a sunroof as well. You also have a rear sliding window, and then SOS and assist that you can set up if you do want to get that. Even more storage here. You do also have some plugins, a little coin holder, and then it does open up to a second compartment, which is got a lot of space. But we'll go into the back seat and finish up. In the back seat, you're going to have a whole bunch of room for your passengers. You do have heated rear seats. The buttons are right there for it. As well, you have some vents in the rear. Cup holders right here. And then, of course, you do have extra cup holders in the center console. These seats do flip up. On that side, you do have a sub, extra storage on this side, and then these do fold out flat. Underneath the floor mats, you are also going to have in-floor storage. But if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call 780-942-3629.